guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I would love for you to join my little family and subscribe down below and give this video a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get a notification every time that I upload a video. So, into the video. So it's actually very hot today. It's like 30 degrees, I think. I'm filming this on a Saturday afternoon, evening. It's about 5:30. And I just wanted to do this quickly now, even though it's hot and I've had to shut my window because there's people outside chatting to my family. So I shut the window and I'm going to do this quickly, but I really wanted to do this today because, yeah, I'm not really going to get a lot of chance to do it tomorrow, and it came yesterday and I want to open it. So I have a Glossybox here with me. Yes, so I ordered this Glossybox in June and I didn't really realise how it worked. So I thought I would get one in June, but obviously it doesn't really work like that. It works like if they sell out, you just get the next box. So I ordered it in about the middle of June and I ended up getting the August box, but I was like, that doesn't matter to me because I think I spent about £10, maybe 12 at the most. I think it was less than that though, because I had a code, so I think it was about £8 to £10. So I have a Glossybox and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside it. I'm really excited to see what's inside it. Obviously I have no clue what is inside it. So yeah, I'm going to open it up. Oh, cute. It comes with this little bow. Yeah, I don't know if I said, but this is my first one. I've never had one before. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to open the bow. Isn't this so satisfying? This like... You know what I'm thinking with this bow? I'm thinking I could use this for my hair. Okay, we don't really need to undo the bow because the bow is like that. And then you open it up. Oh, and it says birthday. This is the birthday edition. It says, basically it just says about what's in it, I think. So I'm gonna see what is actually in here, and then we'll come back to that to look at it. So this is the way it comes. Oh, so this is the way it comes, packaged like this. It's very cute. And I'm gonna open it. Okay, so we have, is it 5 products? 5 products. So first of all, I have a beauty blender, which is the Brushworks Wonder Complexion Sponge. This says, yeah, it's from a brand called Brushworks, which I've not really heard of. It's a 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation and concealer, contour and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas, the flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach small areas with precision. Simply dampen to apply liquids, or use dry to creams and powders. So it says the RRP original price is £5.49. So this box altogether cost me about £10. So we're already half of what I paid. So that's pretty good. I do currently use just a cheap Home Bargains sponge. It seems to work for me. I don't really feel like I need an expensive one, which this isn't that expensive. It's £5.49, but this is still £2, so it's still half the price. So we'll give it a go, and obviously make sure you follow my Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen because I'll talk about things like this and how I find them. So I probably will give this a go soon, and I'll give it a go when I do my makeup. My makeup's probably looking really gross now because I've had it on all day. I just powdered it to kind of like calm it. Okay, so the next product we've got is from Glossybox Skincare. I didn't even know Glossybox had their own brand. Like, I didn't even know they sold products. This is an eye boost cream. Proudly introducing the luscious eye cream. This is good though. I'm really excited about this because for ages I've been wanting an eye cream, and I never, like, eye creams aren't cheap. Like, some eye creams can be about £10–15 if not more. So I never forked out to get myself, like, actually spend my own money on an eye cream, but I'd always wanted one, so I'm really excited that I got one. The original price, wow. So the exclusive subscriber price, so if you, I'm guessing there's like a subscribing, so you can subscribe or somehow, I don't know if you have to pay a yearly thing, I don't know. I'll let you know. I'll give it a Google and I'll let you know on the screen what it costs to be a subscriber. but the original price of this is £20. So I paid no more than £10 for my box, and I've already £20 plus the other one was £5.49, so that's £25.49. We're already gone over the price that I paid. So I'm really excited again to try this out because I've wanted an eye cream for ages. Okay, so the next product is from a brand called Steve Laurent. I've not heard of this either. I've not really heard of a lot, have I? It says is it an eyeliner or is it a lip pencil? It's a lip liner. It's the Vogue lip liner. This is a full size product. So is this a mini? Is this eye cream a mini? Yeah, this is a full size. And the makeup sponge obviously as well as a full size. So that's good. 3 full size products so far. So Steve Laurent lip liner. It's like I think it's like a nude colour, but it looks more like on the picture here, it looks more like a brownie nude, like a dark, like not brown, but a pinky brown. So that's good because I use Velvet Teddy quite often, and I think that looks like it'd be quite a good lip liner for that. It says, this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Instead, it stays put for up to 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour, then filling your palette with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. So yeah, the RIP for this is £12.09, which for me, I don't really use lip liners. I do actually, that's a lie, I do use a lip liner, but it just depends how adventurous I'm feeling. The lip liner I use, I've had it for ages. I probably should get a new one because I've had it for ages, but it seems to still work, so I'll buy another one. This is about £5 and it is the I Heart Revolution one, and it is a pencil with four different lip liners, these colours, and that works for me. But so I wouldn't normally spend £12 on a lip liner because it's just a bit too high maintenance for me. No, but I'm excited to give it a go and see if it's any good and if it's worth £12 for a lip liner. Maybe I'll change my mind. Okay, so the next product is a Molten Brown shower and bath gel. I've had these before. They're the very typical things that you get when, like in Christmas presents and things like that. They're good, they're nice, and it's a nice little size to have. And this is actually bigger than, obviously it's not a full size product, I don't think, but it's bigger than the minis that I get like at Christmas. So this is a 100ml. It says it is the deluxe mini, so it's not mini, but it's the next thing up, and it's the Rhubarb and Rose bath and shower gel. I'm not going to talk too much about that. We all know what a shower gel is. Yeah. And the final product we have is a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. The original price for this is £18. So obviously you've probably heard of Huda Beauty. If you haven't, then where have you been? But I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty. So I'm really excited again to try this because I've never tried any products, any of their makeup. Do they do skincare? I don't know. Yeah, so this is a full size product. And this is the shade, does it say what shade it is? So it says it's a highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of colour to your palette, then glides to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips, then enhancing their natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, then blot it with a tissue for beautiful sustained effect. Does it say what shade this is? Oh, it's on the bottom. Chica? Don't think you could be able to read that anyway, but it is called, it's not focusing, it's not going to focus, is it, Hayley? Chica. I'm just going to open it quickly and have a little look. Let me try it on. I've got a mirror here, by the way. I know I should use a lip liner, but right now I'm not about that. So that is the lipstick. I need to blot it with a tissue. One sec. So yeah, that is the lipstick. It's nice. Feels nice. I don't really know what else to say about it. I definitely think it is a more autumnal shade though. It's not really a summer colour, but I think when it comes to the autumn, this would be a perfect colour because it's not a bright, you know, there's like, what was it, Rimmel 107, that old colour. I don't know what colour that's called, but you know what I mean. If you, that they did a colour that was a bit brighter than this, but this is a nice autumnal colour that isn't too in your face. So when it gets a bit colder and start wearing like autumnal colours, I'll probably wear this lipstick. It feels a little bit tingly on my lips, like not tingly, but there's a weird sensation. Does it say it's supposed to do that? I don't know, but anyway, I think with this lipstick, there's a few different colours you can get. It says receive 1 of 10, so I've got this one which is called Chica, and if you got this box then you may have got a different one. It's kind of random, I think. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy with my Glossybox, and I'm really excited to try out the new products. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you'd like me to do this again. I haven't at the moment. I'm not subscribed to a monthly Glossybox, but I'm definitely tempted because I like the idea of getting new products that you don't know what's coming every month. Or I forgot to add up how much it was all together, so all the prices together. So roughly BRB. So I've just worked out that altogether these products are worth £62.91, I think. I'll leave that on screen. So that's amazing that I paid no more than £10 and I got £50 more than my money. So that's pretty amazing. So I'm definitely tempted to do this again. Let me know, like I said, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see this video again. And yeah, I will see you guys soon for another video. Do not forget again to subscribe down below. And yeah, hope you're having a lovely day and staying safe, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.